Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna tell you that how to watch any movie or series for free. But before that, consider subscribing my channel for more awesome content. Let's get into the video. To get started, you need to open your browser in your mobile devices or desktop. Now type 123 series on search bar. Open the first website. As you can see, now we are on website. There are many movies here you can watch with chill. There may be some ads, but it's not that annoying. They won't disturb you while watching. Now you have to search the name of series or movie you want to watch. I searched Money Heist, and here are all episodes of it. Now click on play button. As you can see, the show is started. Now you can grab popcorns and enjoy the show. If you watch the video till here, make sure you subscribe and like. Bye bye.